YouTube, what's good? Back with another XG reaction. You guys have been loving them, and I'm not too familiar with them, so I've been loving doing the reactions. This one's called Rock the Boat. Let's try to get this video to 50 likes. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into it. I was just about to say, before I even heard a word, I don't think they have a bad song. I've listened to a few of them now, and I can see why they're so famous. These girls are incredible. They complement each other so well. They're such a great group. I'm so impressed with every song I've listened to so far.
XG when I hear that ringtone, I'm looking at everything, but it's not enough. Say, boy, what if I wanna ride? What if I'm in the mood and I need you right now? What if you're with your crew and I needed you to bounce? Feel like you should kick it on another night. Yeah. Normally I never get this great.
Nah, this one is fire. I'm not comparing the two, but this kind of reminds me of something that Destiny's Child would put out when they were really putting out music. That's the first girl group I can think of off the top of my head.
My reality is all you're lately. All I'm really trying to say right now is, boy, you came and rock the boat, caught me off the beat like shaking up the streamline. Rock the boat, knock me off that way.
Alright, I probably listened to maybe like 5 or 6 XG songs, and I liked Woke Up. That was probably my favorite so far. But this one's right up there, man. This one is smooth. This one is a vibe. I like this a lot so far.
Boy, you came and rock the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came in hot, the way you got me hot. You turn it up a notch, spit up a couple nuts, and I've had the drop. My heart wouldn't stop. You got me sweating every minute in the summertime. Who would've thought? Okay, we could take it 2 ways. Leo worked the middle while singing on top of blue waves. I had to look away, but it was too late. I drank the Kool-Aid. I really thought that it was Gucci, maybe it was bootleg.
I'm so impressed by when they switch to who's singing. They don't let the beat wait. Like, they go back to back to back. It's crazy. It's super impressive. They do such a good job complimenting each other. Their chemistry is unbelievable.
No, my mama would never let me. Hypothetically, you're mine already. All I'm really trying to say right now is, boy, you came and rock the boat, caught me off the beat like shaking up the stream like rock the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came and rock the boat.
And I know I've said this in a few videos already, but I'm super impressed by their music videos. They're pretty cool. They do a nice job on them. And all these girls can dance too. It's pretty impressive, dancing and singing like that.
Swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came in. XO, you playing that game. Back to back, you been calling all day. Back and forth, calling even my friends. Even on text, leaving nonsense. Don't trip, boy, give me my space. Obsession was never my thing. Take your time, you should steady your pace. What am I saying? Boy, you came and rocked the boat, caught me off the beat like shaking up the streamline. Rock the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came and rocked the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came in.
Yeah, that was a vibe. I'm super impressed with that one. That might be my favorite XG song I've heard so far. I'm super impressed. These girls are incredible. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to react to next. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And please follow my Instagram and TikTok at Garcia Music Reactions. I'm really trying to grow all these channels. I appreciate you guys.